Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss on how to order decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousands. This would be the grade 5 quarter 2 week number 5 day number 2. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, let's discuss on how to order decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousands. So, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to order decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousands. Now, how do you order decimal numbers with decimal parts to thousands? First, the rule is you're going to, when ordering decimal, compare digits from left to right. Again, you're going to compare the digits from left to right. Start with the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands until you find the difference. Okay? So you're going to compare, start with the whole number ones, then decimal tens, hundreds, and thousands until you find the difference and rearrange it from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Now, let's arrange from least to greatest. So, when we say least to greatest, you're going to start with the least number up to the greatest value or the smallest to greater. Okay? Now, we have sample number 1. We have 185 thousands, 6 tens, 32 hundreds, and 26 hundreds. Now, let's align these numbers in column and then make all of the number with the same highest place value. So, the highest place value is thousands place. So, make them all same highest place value by adding 0. Now, let's compare. So, let's start with the highest. So, by comparing the tens place, and hundreds place, and thousands place, so, let's arrange from least to greatest. So, the highest or the least number must be, let's start with the tens place. So, the least number is 1. So, therefore, this would be the least value. So, this would be 185,000 is the least value. And then the second one is 26 hundreds. So, we have 26 hundreds. The next one is 1, 2, this would be 3. So, therefore, we have 32 hundreds is the next number to 26 hundreds. And then, the highest number is 6. So, therefore, 6 tens is the higher value or the greater value. So, it is arranged from the least to greatest. We have 185 thousands, 26 hundreds, 32 hundreds, and 6 tens. That would be the answer. Okay? That's it. Oh, for number 2, we have 351 thousands, 7 tens, 8 hundreds, 45 hundreds. Now, let's arrange this in column. Again, make them all same highest place value by adding 0. So, let's compare the digit from the tens, hundreds, and thousands. So, take a look at the place in the digit in the tens place. We have 3, 7, 0, and 4. So, as you can see, what would be the least value? Okay, so the least value is, okay, so again, we're going to arrange is from least to greatest. So, the least value is 8 hundreds. Okay, so let's start with 0. The next one is 3. So, therefore, the next digit from the next decimal to 8 hundreds is 351 thousands. Next, we have 3, and then we have 4. Therefore, the next digit, the next decimal is 45 hundreds. And then, the last one is 7 tens. So, this should be arranged from least to greatest. Okay? Next, we have number 3. The example number 3 is arranged from greatest to least. Okay? So, you need to arrange it from greatest. So, the higher value going to the smaller value. Okay? So we have 451 thousands, 77 hundreds, 4 thousands, and 403 thousands. Arrange it in column by adding 0 to make them all same highest place value. Now, let's start with the tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Now, so again, we're going to start with the greatest. Okay, so the highest value. So the highest value is correct, 7. So therefore, this would be the first digit. So we have 77 hundreds. Okay? So next we have, so the next digit is 4. But as you can see, we have two digit, we have 4. We have 451 and 403. Now, let's proceed to the next place value. We have hundreds. Let's compare the digit from the hundreds place. We have 5 and zeros. As you can see, the higher digit is 5. So therefore, the next digit to 77 hundreds is 451 thousands. Okay? And then the next one is 403 thousands. And the last digit must be 4 thousands. Okay? So that's it. As simple as that. Again, you need to compare from tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? From left going to the right. Okay? And arrange it from greatest to least or least to greatest. For number 3, oops, you're going to arrange the decimal in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? When we say ascending order, it is arranged from least to greatest. Okay? So we have the example. 4 and 512 thousands, 4 and 521 thousands, 4 and 505 thousands, and 4 and 509 thousands. Now again, a process, you're going to write it in column. So simple comparing numbers. Again, start with the tens, hundreds, and thousands. Oops, we have the value of the whole number. But as you can see, the value of the whole number with the same number. So no need to compare it. No? Okay, now, let's have the process. You're going to arrange it from ascending order. Ascending order is from least to greatest. Let's start the comparison by tens place. So, in tens place, we have the same number. So, no need to compare. Now, let's proceed to the next place value. We have the hundreds place. We have 1, 2, 0, 0. Again, you need to start with the least. The least number is 0. Okay? So, we have two value of 0. So, therefore, we need to proceed to next digit. So, the next place value is thousands. So, we have 2, 1, 5, 9. But all you need to compare is 5 and 9 because focusing to the hundreds place, we have the same number 0 and we have 5 and 9 to the thousands place. So, the least value is 5. So, therefore, we have 4 and 505 thousands is the least value. And then, next is 4 and 509 is the next digit to 4 and 505 thousands. Okay? Now, we have two decimal numbers left. We have 4 and 512 and 4 and 521. So, as you can see, by comparing the tens place, they are the same. And in the hundreds place, the least value is 1. So, therefore, the answer is 4 and 512 is the next digit. And we have 4 and 521 is the next digit. Okay? Again, you need to compare it by their place value. Okay? So, the digit in their place values. Okay? So, that's it. This would be the answer in ascending order. Okay? Now, we have the given example. You need to arrange this one to descending order. So, what do you mean by descending order? So again, the ascending order is from least to greatest. But the descending order, you need to arrange this one from greatest to least. Greatest to least. Now, let's have some example. We have 987,000, 879,000, and 998,000 and 98 hundreds. All you need to do is to place them in the column. So, compare the whole number, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, again, descending order from greatest to least. So, make them with the same highest place value by adding 0. Now, let's start to compare the tens place. In tens place, we have 9, 8, 9, 9. So, the greatest value, so you're going to find the greatest value. So, we have 9, 9, 8. So, we have 3 values of 9. So, next proceed is to compare the digit in the hundreds place. We have 8, 9, 8. So, the greater value is the 9. So, therefore, the greater value is 998 thousands. So, the next number is, we have 98, 98. And then, let's compare the digit in the thousands place of 2 decimal. We have 7 and 0. So, the greater value is 7. Therefore, the next digit to 998 thousands is 987 thousands. And next is 980 thousands. It should be 980 thousands. But according to our given is 9800. So this will be 9800s. And we have the last digit. We have 879 thousands. Okay? So this should be arranged from descending order or greatest to least. Take note of that. Okay? So let's have some guided practice. You're going to arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order is from smallest to largest or from least to greatest. Comment down your answer in the comment section. You have 1 minute. Arrange number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Timer starts now. Okay, now comment down your answer in the comment section. For number 1, what would be the answer? Number 1, the answer is this one, correct? Number 2, correct? Number 3, the answer is okay, correct? And number 4, the answer is okay, that's correct. And number 5, okay, very good. So now, take note in arranging or ordering numbers with the decimal parts to 2000s. So you need to ordering decimals to compare the digit from left going to the right. Start with the whole number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, until you find the difference and arrange it from the given restriction. Ascending order or descending order, or greatest to least or least to greatest. Okay, that's it. So, in real life application, let's try to answer this one. In a long jump contest, and the athletes jump with the following distance in meters. We have 3 and 457,000 meters. Bea, we have 3 and 462 meters. And we have Carla, we have 3 and 459,000 meters. Now, arrange their jump from shortest to largest. So, by arranging, we have Anna, Carla, and Bea. So, therefore, the person with the highest The longest is Bea, got 3 and 462,000 meters. So Bea got the longest jump among the three. Okay? So that's it. So try to practice your skills. Order the decimals as instructed. So from number 1, we have order from least to greatest. You're going to erase this one from least to greatest. Number 2, greatest to least. Number 3, we have least to greatest. Number 4, greatest to least. And number 5, we have least to greatest. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you and God bless. God bless everyone.